like a Hellcat.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm going to share you the product which I have been using for my videos. The product came with the package. The package was from Amazon. I have ordered it from Amazon. This is the product BOYA lavalier microphone BY-M1. It has superb sound for presentation and video recording. It is used for smartphones, DSLR and other wearable devices including PC, laptop. Here is the product. Now let's read the features and specifications. Features, as you can see, it is clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recording for PC extra. It has omnidirectional condenser microphone. It is high quality condenser is ideal for video use. It has low handling. Now this is what we look for. Includes lap clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen and 1/4 of adapter. Specification you can check at the back of the package. Now let's see what's inside. Comes and BOYA pouch. It's so handy and useful. Next comes an instruction. If you have some doubts, you can go through the instructions. Now let's open this now. First comes the wire. The wire is about 3 to 4 meters long. One end of the wire you can see the main mic, and at the other end you can see 3.5 mm jack. This can be plugged into your mobile phone or any other various devices. Next comes a cover. I'm opening it. You might find another jack which is 1:8 jack. This is a windscreen foam or called sponge. Next comes a battery, LR44 battery. I'm going to tell you afterwards how is it used for. Then a clip. This is a adapter. You can see switch and cameras of smartphones. When you're using camera, you have to use LR44 battery. I'll tell you how to put it. Looking at the polarity, you can put the battery inside. Keep the camera mode on when you are using DSLR. When you are using only by speaking, then use of smartphones. This is where you should put the clip right below the foam. I'll tell you how to put the foam, and be gentle while you're putting the windscreen foam. Like this. You have to put right below here, right here. Let's check the sound quality of BOYA BY-M1. I'm not going to plug in to my smartphone. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone testing on internal microphone. This evening is so pleasant. I like to go to play in every evening. I'm going to plug in to my smartphone now. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone testing on BOYA BY-M1. This evening is so pleasant. I like to go to play every evening. As you can see, the microphone is working very well. I'm happy because the microphone performance work very well. The microphone does not support with the built-in camera application. You have to download the application called Open Camera application from Play Store. If you want me to make a video about how to make the BOYA microphone work, please comment down in the comment section below. If you think the video is genuine, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification. See you guys. Peace.